Hello, my dear students, and today I am going to tell you how to plot the graph of elliptic paraboloid, elliptic as well as paraboloid in 3D. That means it is a 3D graph, and the equation is x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to z by 4. And you should express this equation. Always you have to express the 3D graph in the form of z is equal to f of xy. That means z in terms of x and y. Z will be dependent variable and x and y should be independent variable. Okay. So that means you should take 4 to the other side only. Okay. So form fruit. That means you should clear everything. And you should define the function. It is a sequence of functions. And written in text strings. Okay. So this is the syntax for 3D graph, DEFA and z equal to f of xy, and it should be written within single inverted comma, then put a comma. Then the given equation should be written in this form. That means z is equal to f of xy. And this should be written within single inverted comma. Then close the bracket, then put a semicolon. And you should put, since you are going to plot the graph, so first of all you should give the range of the independent variables. And here the two independent variables are x and y. So both are written within square brackets, and the upper limit and lower limits are written from minus 20 to plus 20. Okay, with common difference 5 I have taken. And the limits are separated by colon, not semicolon. And at the end put colon, semicolon. Okay, at the end you should put semicolon. And the same range I have taken from x for x and y, that is minus 20 to plus 22 with common difference 5. For y also I have taken minus 20 to plus 20 with common difference 5. And for 3D graph, the syntax is f plot, not simply plot. But in case of 2D, you are writing only plot. So f plot 3D. You should indicate it is a 3D graph. Okay. So first of all, you should write the independent variables. Then you should write the dependent variable or the given function. That means x comma y, because here x and y both are independent variables, and then the given function f. Then I have written x label, y label, z label. That means I have indicated x coordinate, y coordinate, and z coordinate. That means there will be no confusion. Which one is x axis, which one is y axis, which one is z axis. Okay. So they are written within single inverted commas. Okay. And then I have put a title, x title, graph of elliptic parabola. Okay. So now simply copy this one and I'm going to paste in the console. So simply paste it in the console, and the graph, see here, this one is the graph of, see here, graph of elliptic paraboloid, and this one is y axis, this one is x axis, and this one is the z axis. See here, this one is the z axis. Okay, so z axis, this is y axis, this is x axis, and this is the elliptic parabola. In the form of parabola, that means in two dimensions, and since it is three dimension, it is in the form symmetric figure, so it is elliptic. Okay, so and this question was set in one of the university of Utkal University in first semester math honors for BSc students. This question was set three times perhaps, and in my previous video I have given the hyperbola to sit. That question was also set three times in Utkal University of Odisha, and before that I have given a graph how to plot a polynomial, its first derivative and second derivative, and that particular question also was set twice in that same university, Utkal University, for math honors first semester. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then please ask me. Okay, thank you.